Welcome to today's elegant property that is located in Kileleshwa. This is a stunning 4-bedroom apartment that is located in a beautiful, serene environment. This is an ideal unit for a family if you love privacy, you want great amenities. This is the place for you. The living room opens up into a balcony, an extended balcony that is good for hosting guests, and you also get beautiful sunrise views here in the morning. It overlooks beautiful green views and a view of the swimming pool. And on this side, you have your dining area that is currently sitting 6 but can comfortably sit up to 10, and an open plan kitchen on this other side. This is the master bedroom, massive with big windows giving you a lot of natural light. I also love how much storage space there is in this master bedroom. There's plenty of wardrobe space.